to the channel, guys. We are back in the shop today, but not for so long. I think we have plans tonight to do some street drifting in the E36 over here. Yes, last event, this clutch started squealing the throwout bearing, so it's still a little messed up, but we're just gonna roll with it tonight. I think Andy's gonna bring his E36. I'm not sure exactly who's all coming, but I did end up getting a clutch in for the E36. Now this is just like some sort of eBay clutch, but it's like $250. It seems pretty good. It's like stage 1, so it can hold a little bit more power if I end up turboing it or other stuff, but we got that, and we need to put that in some point, but I do want to drive it tonight and have a little fun with it sliding around. It is currently raining outside, unfortunately. It's a bit gloomy out, but we're just gonna make the most of it tonight. So before we go out, and I think we're gonna do some street drifting here in the evening time, Andy's putting on his rear shock bolt because one of them fell out, so he's tightening down his suspension. Okay, so we found something that we can do like a little drift game tap competition. I had this old vinyl wrap box just chilling around. I went ahead and put an old brake rotor in the bottom of it, so it's really bottom heavy, so you can kind of give it a nice little nudge. You can hit it pretty hard, and it just okay, that ought to fall out, but it just stays up. So hopefully we'll be able to come by here, give it a nice little skim, and it'll be able to stand upright. But we're probably gonna go ahead, hit the streets, and it's a little wet still, so we'll be able to slide these E36s. He's taking his white one, I'm taking my white one. So we're here at this warehouse area. There's a little spot over there where there's not a curb, so the grass ends. So our line is going to be, we're going to swoop around, we're going to tap where the grass is, and that's where this bad boy is going to be. And we're going to see, we're going to take turns. Well, we get like 3 turns, and like 3 turns each, and then swap. Place this, let's go look at it.
Yeah.
That was really close.
Yeah. First time it fell over, the wind just blew it over.
Oh, no, I saw that.
Second time it fell over, you got that close.
We're out here at this little warehouse spot. It's not massive, but it's decent enough, and they also got these little lights out here, so it kind of helps. And here comes Andy. He's having a hard time with his diff. His diff's kind of locked, partially locking up, partially not. Oh, getting saucy with her. Alright, let's get out of here. What are these trucks doing? Oh, we got the truck. Dude, there's so many trucks in here. Why do we live in Oklahoma? You can't even see it! This boy did a burnout earlier for like 50 minutes. He's getting it! Look at all the smoke! Dude, we need XJs. Everybody run! Get back! What's he doing turning the wheel? Oh!
That's the way you do that. How about?
Now Jordan's taking his 240. He saw me do it. Oh gosh. That's so loud. Oh, another KA.
He's boosting though, I think.
Oh, I got one. Weld your diff. So many trucks, dude. Why are there so many? Well, the Beamer is tucked away for the night. I think that clutch is officially done. The throwout bearing is really squealing. It was making some weird grinding noise. So I think I'm gonna park it here until I have time to replace it. Probably within, a few weeks whenever I get the S14 kind of moving along for the most part. But hopefully you guys enjoyed some of those clips tonight. We were just out on the town running on the streets with some of those, I don't even know who those people were in the trucks and stuff. We were just having fun. Hopefully some of the shots turned out good for you guys. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next one.